Let's take a look at my vacuum collection. And you already seen the first one of my collection. That's my old Keller box fan. Here's my two Sanitaires, my Eureka Bravo 2. And my TV, my radio, my DD player. And my VCRs. And here's more Kirby's. My other tradition, my Legend 2, my Dosantron 50. And here's my Oric XL2. And here's my TriStar. It's a power nozzle. Here's where I keep the TriStar hose and my overpolar power hose. And here's my rest of my vacuums. Here's my floor signs. And here my AC window unit, my lamps. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.